Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 31. Day 31. As you know that in day 30, I have discussed about weight and mass of a body. Okay. So today I will continue from that topic. Kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and science book and turn page number 151, page number 151 and see the topic difference between mass and weight. Okay, this topic is very important for your examination point of view. In term 2 it may be asked. It is very common question. This question has been asked so many times, so you will focus on this topic, difference between mass and weight. Okay, here I have discussed about 5 differences between mass and weight. So let us see here what is the difference between mass and weight. Okay, you will make 2 vertical column. Okay, and see the first column is mass and second is weight. See the first difference is the mass of a body is the amount of matter contained in it. I know that in previous class I have discussed the definition of mass and weight. So you will differentiate between mass and weight by the definition. Okay, and the definition of mass is the quantity of matter of any object that contained in it. Okay, so let us see here. The mass of a body is the amount of matter contained in it. Okay, mass of a body is the matter of a body which contained in it. Okay, whereas the definition of weight is the weight of a body is the force with which it attracted towards the earth. Weight means it is a type of force and it has a particular direction which acts always in the direction of acceleration due to gravity. So we can say that weight is a type of force which is attracted, which always attracted towards the earth. Okay, so first difference is there. The weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. Okay, that means weight is equal to gravitational force acting on that body. Okay, see second difference. The mass of a body remains constant at all places. I have discussed about mass does not depends upon the place where it is put. Okay, so we can say that mass is independent from the place or position. Okay, so mass of a body remains constant at all the places. The value of mass of any object is always constant at any place. As for example, suppose that your mass is 50 kg on the earth, it means that your mass is 50 kg on the moon, on the other planet, on the any other in any places on the universe. Okay, in the universe. So the value of mass of a body remains constant at all the places. Okay, whereas the weight of a body varies from place to place. That means the value of weight does not constant, it varies from place to place. As for example, your mass is here on the earth 50 kg, that means the weight on the earth, weight of your body on the earth is 50 into 10, approx you will take 9.8 meter per second square. The value of this is acceleration due to gravity, but you will take in round figure 9.8 equal to 10. Okay, so weight on the earth, your weight on the earth is 50 into mg, w is equal to mg, 50 into 10, that means 500 Newton. Okay, and you know that acceleration due to gravity is 1/6 times less than on the surface of the moon. So your weight is decreases on the surface of the moon and it becomes W is equal to mg, mass is equal to 50 kg and gravity is there 1.63. You will take simply 2. Okay, in your odd figure you will take 2. Then your weight on the moon, on the surface of the moon, equal to 50 into 200 Newton, whereas your weight on the earth, surface of the earth is 500 Newton, 50 into 10, and on the moon 50 into 200 Newton. So we can say that the weight of a body varies from place to place, and your weight is also increases or decreases on the surface of on the earth. Okay, due to here radius is differences because earth is not in a spherical form, it is in oval shape. Okay, so weight of a body varies from place to place on the earth, surface of the earth. Also, you know polar region and equator. Okay, so we can say that the mass of a body remains constant at all places where the weight of a body varies from place to place. Okay, this is the second difference. And third difference is mass is a scalar quantity. I have discussed about a scalar quantity and vector quantity in chapter 1. A scalar quantity means the quantity which has magnitude, only magnitude, and has no any direction, so it is called a scalar quantity. Okay, mass is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude 5 kg, 10 kg, but it has no any direction. We can't say 5 kg in each direction, 5 kg, 10 kg in north direction, north direction. Okay, we simply say that mass is equal to 50 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg. There is no mention in any direction, so mass is a scalar quantity. Okay, but weight is a vector quantity. Okay, I have told you that weight, that means it is a type of force, and you know force is a vector quantity, so weight is also a vector quantity. Okay, and the fourth difference is mass is measured by physical balance. You know mass is measured in physical balance. Physical balance, that means we say that simply tarazu. Okay, you know in tarazu. Okay, this is simple physical balance. So mass of any object can be measured by simple physical balance. You see there at your home or in a shop. Okay, mass is measured by physical balance 5 kg, 10 kg. Okay, but weight is measured by a spring balance. When you will go in the lab, you will see there a spring balance. A spring balance is used to measure weight of any object. It does not used to measure mass of any object. Okay, so we can say that weight is measured by a spring balance, whereas mass is measured by physical balance. Okay, and the last difference between mass and weight is fifth point. SI unit of mass is kg. Okay, mass is always measured in kilogram, so SI unit of mass is kg. Okay, whereas SI unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of weight is Newton because weight is a type of force, and you know that SI unit of force is Newton, so SI unit of weight is Newton. Okay, let us see the summary of this point. First point, the mass of a body is the amount of matter contained in it, and the weight, equation of weight is the weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. Second point is the mass of a body remains constant at all places, whereas the weight of a body varies from place to place. Third point is mass is a scalar quantity, where weight is a vector quantity. Fourth difference is mass is measured by physical balance, weight is measured by a spring balance. And the last difference is SI unit of mass is kg, whereas SI unit of weight is Newton. Friends, now it's time for your homework. So write down your homework. Today I have given only one question. This is your homework for day 31. and the question is give 4 differences between mass and weight. Okay, homework for day 31. Question 1, give 4 differences between mass and weight. Okay, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.